What did you understand you would offer him in return for doing this work?
So I was helping him with his training at that point already, by training with him. And, you know, we'd carry on training together as friends, so I could help him.
And it's right to say that he did do that. And what's more, he gave you an eating plan of some description, correct?
It's a programme.
What was the programme you gave him?
A training programme for him to follow when he wasn't training with myself.
Would you normally charge for that? I hope so.
Yeah.
How much?
About £50 for a programme.
Understand. That includes eating and squat thrusts and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Correct? Pulling things up and down.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, and it did have that sort of thing in it.
Well, understand, you got that. Did you pay for it?
No, I didn't pay for it, no.
Well, why should he give you that for free? Why should he give you a 3 squat thrust?
Well, the reason for that is we had previously done a training session, which was what Tom was training anyway, so he was training for himself. And that session that was written down was basically the session that I'd done with Tom, so it was more Tom's training plan that I had to follow, so it wasn't really... I wouldn't say it was personalised for what I needed to be swole. If I'm honest.
Did you understand that? What are you talking about? What you did do is take some good quality photographs, and you took about 100 of them, I think.
Yeah, it's about 100 in total.
Understood. Tom, how many did you receive?
I think it's 4 or maybe 5.
Now, why did you only receive 4? Do you know, Joe?
I don't know.
Joe, why did he only receive 4?
Well, because at the time, he'd asked for them quite quick. So there's an app on my phone which I can use that edits them up quite quick and quite nicely as well. So some of those have actually been edited using that app. And because he wanted them quick at the time for his Instagram...
What are you doing on the left? You're picking up the 30... That's a lot of weight. Either that or it's an advert for constipation.
I don't know what I was doing there.
Well, all I could...
Oh, it's bicep curl, that was it.
Is that what it was?
It was.
Well, it's a happy relief. I was about to suggest Senecot. Yeah. Do carry on.
No, and so I'd edited several up that he wanted quite instantly for his Instagram, whether that be for his actual page or for his story.
Did you receive the photographs and did you put them on your Instagram story?
I received 4 to 5 photographs, yes.
Now, did you expect to pay for them?
No.
Now, what are you suing for?
For the fact that obviously, he's only got a certain amount of photos, which I totally understand. But the fact that having to take a lot of photographs in one session and then having to upload them onto a computer takes a lot of effort, and also the editing.
How much
as well.
time did you spend in total? Quite a lot, I would have thought.
I'd probably say about, up to 2 hours, actually starting looking through them, and actually, because obviously you have to cut them down as well to the ones that are blurry, the ones that are not, so...
And that's not your only complaint, because once they were put up on his social media platform, there was something missing. What was missing, Joe?
Any credit at all. So on the actual Instagram, there was no credit. I've previously, before I've trained with Tom, I've always tagged him in it, and I never got any credit. So
Why does that matter to you?
Just because when people are seeing it, obviously I'm not a professional photographer, and if people are seeing these photos, I'd like people to know that I took them, so that in the future it would.
Might you be thinking of that career in future?
Yeah, maybe, potentially.
Well, you might be, and I've got some advice for you now, sir. What is clear to me is that there may not be a written contract, which is a problem for him, but it is quite clear that he's taken these photographs, which you don't deny. Are you prepared to amend your social media profile and to credit him with having taken those photos?
If that's what he wants, that's fine.
Happy outcome, correct?
Yes, very happy.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.